Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet summer baby frocks designs ideas collection. Beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet summer baby frocks designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs, show to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, today video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Love, peace.